there is no need to worry about planting right away. Your new plant can be stored for a while by simply placing it in a bucket with about a ½ inch of water and moving it to a shady location. Simply keep moist. This will give you plenty of time to select the ideal location for your new Clerodendrum. Container size. All Clerodendrum varieties grow very well in containers, indoors or on the patio. Smaller varieties grow best indoors in 10 to 14 diameter pots, while larger varieties need enough room for growth, generally a 14 to a 24 diameter. 14 deep container will suffice. Remember, the looser the roots, the taller and healthier your Clerodendrum will be. When the plant becomes root-bound, its growth will slow. At that point it is time for a larger pot. Soil. Light bulb Clerodendrum enjoy a well-drained, general potting mix easily found at your local box store. Remember, try to stay away from arid or wet, mucky soils. Fertilizer. To help establish your new light bulb Clerodendrum, fertilize sparingly 10 inches away from the base. Triannually with a slow time-released product. Unfertilized, they will tend to grow at a slower pace. Note: the heavy salts in cheaper fertilizers will damage the roots and possibly kill the plant. It's best to use a brand you know and trust. Grow zone and light. Best outdoors if grown in zone 9B11. Find your zone here. This Clerodendrum requires 75 to 95% sunlight. Depending on your location, full sun is often best. In the northern end of their grow zone, light bulb Clerodendrum should be brought indoors or protected during the winter months. The patio zone is 4A11, which means the potted plant will flourish over the summer months in colder zones but must be brought inside before winter. Before you plant outdoors. At the nursery, these Clerodendrum are grown under 20 to 40% shade cloth. If you plant this Clerodendrum in a brightly lit area, you may experience leaf burn. It is best to acclimate this plant to its environment by keeping it outside and slowly moving it into a sunny area over a week or two to avoid stress before planting. Light bulb plant, Clerodendrum Smithianum, aka string of lights. The light bulb plant has an unusual blooming habit. Clusters of pure white, light bulb-like blooms dangle from pendant shafts. The plant itself is a fine woody ornamental reaching 10 feet at maturity. As a house or patio plant, it can easily be maintained at 3 to 4 feet in height. These are very healthy plants with well-established root systems.